Hi, I'm Rocket from Frogpower. What we're doing today is putting 3 of our SL300s into a plasterboard ceiling. This is the SL300, 300mm diameter, super slim, 10mm thick, so it can fit anywhere in the ceiling. You don't have to worry about timber. Okay, the first thing we've got to do is cut out the template, which is marked on the back of the box, which Jason has already done. And now Jason is going to mark out the template. Steady hands he needs, steady hands. And I'll get you the saw, unless you've already got it. Okay, next process is to mark out and then cut it. Now these holes that are in already, the owners pulled out those lights because he wanted our solar lights in the position where they were. We want to put our solar panels on, free of shade, trees, roof structures. We're facing northwest here, that's not too bad. Okay, so next thing is install the brackets. I'll pick the location. For the long brackets that go at the top, simple as that. 1, 2. Now the bottom ones aren't as easy. You've got to kick up the 2 bottom tiles. And pull them down. Okay. So make sure the tiles are all sitting pretty. Lovely. Next stage is install the solar panel. Okay, solar panel. Thank you. Okay. Solar panel like so, put your screwdriver under the tile and feed the cable under the tile. Now, it wasn't on this house, but if there was insulation, you have to cut through the insulation just to feed the wire through. That's sweet. Okay, next stage. Screw the solar panel on. With the screws provided, a cordless drill or a screw gun is what you'll need. The holes are already drilled through the stainless steel brackets. Jason went up to the ceiling and he's dropped all the cables through the holes. What you're going to do next is connect the driver to the light, which is put it in, twist, turn, and it locks in. Okay, now Jason's over here, follow me. Now Jason's getting ready to install. Now any insulation that sits directly on top of the light, just move that out of the way like we've done there. Now Jason's going to install the solar light. Beautiful finished product. Wow. Great job done.